Let's talk about Domino's. Right now it's down 13%, basically trading through the low of the year. It began the year, I think, at 412 or so, Pete, now at 410. That's round tripped from a nice run up through 500 to falling. Why? Well, challenges, they say. They're not going to open as many new stores. Revenue growth, they think, will be up 7% or so. But you know what? They're just not going to make as much money. Why? Inflation. How much of that can they pass on to the consumer? Well, that's one of the issues, because even though the revenue number might be higher, their internal costs of the goods they provide and perhaps for the workers that they employ aren't letting them make as much money, Pete. And that's why the stock is down on triple normal volume.
Yeah, I was just about to say that volume number is absolutely incredible, just to see how much we're seeing that turnover right now. They did miss on the earnings, but it was still up 7% year over year. So depending on how you want to view things, I would say this. Did they beat on the earnings? Yes, they beat. They had a 403 versus a 368. So across the board, pretty good. But you were talking about guidance. That is where people are very nervous. And I think because they're looking at it and they're saying, hey, look, why are we stalling? Why are we not going to open as many stores as we had planned on opening? That was built into what we were looking at here, and revenue growth. To your point, John, the problem is inflation. The problem is it shows you that the economies are not that strong right now, especially internationally. But nonetheless, I liked what we saw from a numbers perspective, but you still have to look forward enough to say, hey, if they don't have enough stores, that revenue number is going to be coming down. And it's something that I think Domino's is going to have to show us that maybe that has changed. Not this quarter, but maybe next quarter, maybe the quarter after that. We'll see how that thing all flows around. But as of right now, that stock is under pressure, down about 12% or more.